The lost wallet. One sunny morning, Anna was walking to work. She loved walking because the fresh air made her feel happy. As she walked through the park, she noticed something on a bench. It was a black wallet. Anna looked around, but no one was there. She picked up the wallet and opened it carefully. Inside, she found some money, a driver's license, and several bank cards. The driver's license showed the owner's name. His name was David Miller. There was also a small piece of paper with a phone number. Anna smiled. Maybe I can call him, she thought. She took out her phone and dialed the number. Hello? A worried man answered. Hello, is this David Miller? Anna asked. Yes, it is. I think I found your wallet. There was a moment of silence. Really? David said. I've been looking for it everywhere. Thank you so much. They agreed to meet at a small coffee shop near the park. 30 minutes later, David arrived. He looked tired but happy. Are you Anna? He asked. Yes, she replied with a smile. David checked the wallet. Everything was still inside. I can't believe it, he said. Nothing is missing. He tried to give Anna some money as a reward. Anna shook her head. No, thank you, she said. I'm just happy I could help. David smiled warmly. There are not many people like you, he said. Your kindness means more than money. A few weeks later, Anna received a letter. It was from David. He thanked her again for her honesty. He also wrote that her kindness had inspired him to help other people whenever he could. Anna felt proud, not because she had found a wallet, but because one small act of kindness had made someone's life a little better. From that day on, whenever she saw someone who needed help, she remembered that even a small good deed could make a big difference. Moral of the story: honesty and kindness always leave a lasting impression. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.